Hey, what's up? I'm Austin of Austin My underscore 238, and you are watching Trina Miller 100.
Good morning, guys. Welcome to today's vlog. Look what it is. My bag's so packed because I'm going to Kansas City for my heart doctor's appointment. So we're gonna hurry up, get out of here, and get to my doctor's appointment. So I'm walking out this solo absurd from Sparkle of Grey, my leopard print crossbody wicked stitch bag from Sparkle of Grey, also Apple Watch Series 7, and walking out this light brown hair that I just dyed yesterday. If you guys saw in yesterday's vlog, my fleeced leggings, and a series from Von Maur. So yeah, let's get this trip started. And also, we're spending the night in Kansas City because on the next day we're going home to Wichita, just like we did last time. So yeah, let's get this trip started.
You try hard to find the answer when no one knows how it feels between disasters. It comes and goes. The life of dreams is moving faster, and no one knows the constant fear of what comes after. We'll never know. It's weighing me down. Got my feet on the ground. Let's fly away from the lies and run away from the night. Let's run away.
Alright guys, so we're in Koya service area. So my aunt has to get some food and do some lessons. So yeah, we're still gonna make it on time. So it's only 12:40, Mom.
I know, we're doing good.
Yeah, so we're taking the Interstate 335 route
Yeah,
towards Kansas City.
yeah,
That leads towards Topeka, Lawrence, and then Kansas City.
yeah.
So yeah. But anyway, once we get down, we'll continue on the trip.
We're falling hard to find the answer.
Come on, son. I get it. It's the time. This is the song Kryptonite by Boy George Down. This is 2000.
It is.
Yeah. Oh boy.
Got my feet on the ground. Let's fly away from the lies and run away from the night. Let's run away.
It's the hospital. It's really early, so yeah. So in this, waiting for the nurse to come back, and then I do ultrasound. So because I'm watching the evening all day, so after I done with the ultrasound, so I just start eating anything. But I eat some beef food too, so yeah, I haven't eaten all day, so yeah. Anyway, just waiting for my food to come back and
Here we go.
This is the boss movie. Photo for your room where you do ultrasound. Yep. So yeah, let's go. Ultrasound is done. Finished ultrasound, now we're waiting for EKG. So, yeah. And also next week I do have my phone appointment with the doctor here. So, I'll find out next week. If everything happens, I'll let you know next week. So, for now, I'm just waiting for EKG. Well, down with EKG. So, I gotta get some lunch. Yeah, already. So, yeah. I haven't eaten all day, so we're leaving the hospital right now, man. Here is what the Country Club Plaza looks like. So for those who are new to the channel, welcome. So this is what the Country Club Plaza looks like. I went there a lot. So yeah, for those who are new, welcome. I really do appreciate it. So yeah. And also guess what? My mom just went into the Apple store because I wanted a Nike watch band, because even though I used to work out with a Nike band, so I gotta work out at the Y, so I gotta use my Nike watch band just to work out the Y. What do you think, G?
I like it.
So, yeah. But right now, heading to Old Park Mall. Are you heading to Old Park Mall, Angie?
Yes, we are.
Good, because I haven't eaten all day and I wanted sushi for lunch because they have sushi at the food court. I think it's called Sudoku Japan.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'm getting those. Check it out, guys. Nike watch band. Look at that. This is what the strap looks like. You can see the swoosh. Oh wow, these are brand new. Look at that, guys. You know?
Is this what you want?
Oh my god, so we're at Old Park Mall. About to get some lunch.
What do you want?
Starting. Here's what I'm going to do. Shoku Japan. Look at that.
Making it right there.
They all had a tuna or spicy tuna roll. So instead, I just got a sweet potato roll. And you got the chicken teriyaki.
I got chicken teriyaki.
So, yeah. So, I got the chicken potato roll and also a dumpling. So, yeah. I'm waiting for the food and it's time to dig in. This is what it looks like.
Look at that.
Check it out, guys. Got the shrimp roll and also
Dumpling.
the chicken dumpling.
Oh, I just realized I didn't get any sauce.
Yeah, they all want
Go back up there.
in a shrimp roll.
I'm not dealing with those people anymore.
And mom just got the chicken teriyaki roll here. That is it.
I will take this part off.
Is that
your-
just a sugar cookie?
Yeah.
From the Mrs. Fields release. So I got the chicken this cookie.
Here's a question for you.
Yeah, this is cookie on dessert. So a Hallmark crown. Check it out, guys. They have squishmallows here. Look at that. They have squishmallows there. So yeah, just looking right at Hallmark. Look at this, guys. They have an itty bitty Patrick Mahomes one. The kids see the Chiefs. Look at that. Shout out to Patrick Mahomes. I know it was a great season, but they didn't make it a Super Bowl. So yeah, shout out to you, Patrick Mahomes. Look at that. The chocolates and chocolate covered strawberries. They're magnets. But yeah. It's like the perfect for Easter. So yeah, it's really cool.
What do you do with it?
What Build-A-Bear. So, yeah. So here's what I'm going with. This is a heart-shaped pup from 2008. Can you believe that? 2008. So there he is. Look at that. 2008. Well, 14 years ago, they just released. 2008. What's up there?
There. All right. Specifically for the 25th.
Silver Hearts Club 25th. Look at that.
It doesn't because this one's quiet.
Look at that. This is a 2008 heart-shaped pup. Look at that. 2008, baby. So here's what I'm going with. This dress right there. So anyway, time to name that bear.
Like all of us having it.
So there he is. Got my Build-A-Bear from 2008. This is from the vault.
It doesn't have a cover that comes off.
We're at Macy's, so we're just looking around before we actually head to the car because the bus we go to by comes at 8, so we gotta get going. We just want to look around tonight, and well, this is get pretty cheap. So yeah, we're just looking around at Macy's. So maybe we'll find some loungewear. It's gonna call it Macy's Fast Food. So look at that. Look at that pretty loungewear.
Some pajamas and stuff since we don't need like
Look
a
at that.
dress. Yeah.
That's all I know.
Put it on your wish list.
Let's get it started in here. Let's get it started in here. This is 2004, man. I am Black Eyed Peas.
Woohoo!
Let's get it started. Oh boy. Home to home for overnight.
One sec now. You're gonna have to move up.
Oh boy.
Oh boy. Turn the light on.
Oh yeah. It's gonna be an overnight stay.
Oh boy.
Yep. Standard bathroom. Not the ADA. This is not the ADA, guys. Standard bathroom. There's a microwave. There's
Oh, look
coffee
at that!
amenities.
It pulls out.
There's some stuff you put in it. And guess what? We have a mini fridge, so yeah. There's extra seating, there's a table. There's a desk right here. So I need to do some work. So yeah. I'm staying with my family.
Yes, you
I'm not staying alone. I'm staying with my family now.
Watch her thing.
Look at that. Got
Boys
the
and Girls
telephone,
Club
the long quote.
has
Look
an
at that.
opening for a beef.
So yeah guys, this is gonna be our home for the next 24 hours or so. Look at our pajamas, they're from Macy's, so yeah, I really love this pink leopard print. And also I'm working out the pants too, they're loungewear, so yeah. But anyway, I'm getting caught up on This Is How We Bangin', and then after that, I gotta watch David DeFranco. So here he is, I'm watching This Is How We Bangin'. So earlier in the trip, I did watch Princess TV, and on the trip to the hotel, I did watch Emma and Ali's family, and now I'm watching This Is How We Made Them, and after that, David DeFranco. And look at that Galentine sitting right behind. But also, I got Galentine new pajamas, and also guess what? I just got my new Nike Sport Loop from the Apple Store today. Big thank you to my mom for giving this to me. Congratulations to the YMCA while I'm working out. So, yeah. Hey, Mom and Angie. You know Princess is in Vegas now.
I know, that's exciting.
So, yeah, he's here for Sierra's volleyball tournament. So, hopefully Quintus will release a vlog soon. Is that right, Mom? He's gonna be releasing a vlog soon. So yeah, make sure don't forget to subscribe to Quintus TV because he has some vlogs here that you guys want to check out. But he's gonna be releasing soon. Is that right? So yeah. So I'm here in Kansas City. He's here in Las Vegas. So yeah, we're both out of town. Can you believe that? Kansas City for my daughters while he is in Las Vegas for Sierra's volleyball tournament. So yeah, good luck to them and good luck to Sierra on volleyball tournament. And also Quintus has a vlog that is up right now, so go check out his vlog today. So yeah, go check that out. But also, you might see the Las Vegas vlog on Quintus TV, so we'll find out if he posted. So yeah, make sure to stay tuned for that. And also, I'm watching David DeFranco with Lottery's vlog.
I thought
I
you were
can't
saying.
pronounce that. Walking
I don't know what you were
vlog. Oh
saying.
boy. I'm watching David
Let's nice. Turn the light
DeFranco.
on. Yeah. Look
So
at
the
all
best
these
part
guys.
of vacation watching
Christmas
Winter
to
Olympics.
Batman's car.
Yeah. Check out Garden Time. Working out the unicorn robe with a unicorn pajamas. Look at that. This is so cool for 2008. Yes. Alright guys, I gotta go ahead and wrap up this vlog. So tomorrow we'll do more shopping at Nebraska Furniture Mart and the Legends Outlets, and after that we're going home to Wichita. So make sure to stay tuned in tomorrow's vlog. You do not want to miss it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And also, give me a thumbs up if you like this. Because I just dressed her in the pajamas. So yeah, but anyway, let me know in the comments down below. Have you been on vacation or something? Just let me know in the comments down below. Make sure to hit subscribe for more videos and more content. And the vlogs will be in the cards right here. And remember, it's all adventures but to be. And it's watching peace. Bye. I'm Trina Minute 100. Thank you so much for watching today's vlog. If you want more vlogs, gameplays, and a lot of stuff, click or tap subscribe and turn on notifications. Don't forget to leave a like. Follow me at any social sites at the Insulate. Also, check out Trina Minute 100 Games channel and Better Bear Camp 17's channel. Until next time, peace.